Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install the RT Camera add-on and any required dependencies. You need the camera entity and a render target texture. Once installed, spawn the RT camera and a separate render target or material that will receive the feed. Make sure you also spawn a screen or monitor prop that can display a material, because the camera sends directly to that texture. This immediate setup step prevents wasted time fiddling later when you need to link entities. Next, you link the camera output to the texture. Open the RT camera interface and type the exact name of the render target texture you spawned. Then configure resolution, field of view, and near/far clipping to balance performance versus image detail. Higher resolution demands more resources. Once set, apply the named render target to the monitor's material or use a material proxy to point a prop to that texture. Make sure the names match exactly so the feed routes correctly. Finally, lock down position and framing. Place the camera where you want the viewpoint, then test the feed on the monitor and tweak angle or zoom until satisfied. Once done, optimize by lowering resolution or FPS if your server or client stutters. Make sure the camera isn't rendering unnecessary distances. If the feed fails, double-check that the render target name matches, confirm you have permissions to use the add-on, and scan the console for errors. Those 3 checks solve most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.